Good afternoon, sir. Please, you're welcome to Will's Real Estate. How may we help you, sir?
Thank you. I came to buy palms for my girl. Her birthday is close.
Okay, you can browse through our collections to make a choice.
She requested for a specific one. They call it Wilson palms.
A minute, sir. Hello, boss. Please, can you call me? It's urgent. Please, sir, be patient with us.
So what's the issue?
He said he wants Will's Wilson pounds.
Yes, listen. You're welcome, sir. Come on, have a seat. Okay, thank you. Sir, please, go through this form and fill it, sir. Call for refreshment now. Excuse me, sir. I'll be with you shortly.
Refreshment team activate.
Sam, welcome, Sam. Just enjoy yourself. I'm here to take good care of you.
Is that right? Thank you. Excuse me, my dear. Wait, this treat one they give me like this. How much is this with palms now?
It's not that expensive. It's just 10,000 naira only.
10,000 that you are treating me like this. Everybody's opening their eyes. Give me 3.
Who not get money in an illegal structure? Move on.
You are doing well here.
Thank you. My guy is here. Okay.
I hope you're satisfied. Huh? Yeah, very satisfied. So cash or transfer? I've done the transfer. Okay, let me check.
Clap for Jesus.
But I'm seeing 31,000 here.
Clap
The 1,000 naira change.
Actually, your bill is 1.6 million naira, sir.
God have mercy.
For what? I don't understand. For what?
The pounds is actually 30,000 naira, and the rest is for refreshment and other miscellaneous expenses.
Had you been here, I know you now. I give you a dirty slap.
When I come here, I beg now for food. I beg now for food. You try to be miscellaneous again now. We are from my village, then they reject cola when I give person cola. And when I come here, I ask now for AC. When I go on the AC, where in the fall? When they catch person. Now even if I need the AC, I don't understand which one be. What is 1.6 million?
Calm down.
Stop. This is irritating me. Anyway, I'm leaving here. What nonsense is happening?
Here you dey go. What did you say?
What's it happen now?
What's happen? So all these things when I be they feel say na free I dey do. I beg pay that money because now there my payments they come from.
Hola, mama, no stand up for their pay. When they chop that chicken, this is not for free. They don't rub it out for just I say pay.
They chop and they touch your body, they sweet you. Hey, you need to get here. So call your father.
For what?
Because you talk more your life.
Jesus!
Do this thing well, my brother. Now this thing well. Now food night go sabi chop.
Jesus.
Back.